How to pass the Amazon warehouse assessment test in the UK. Thinking about working at an Amazon warehouse in the UK but nervous about the assessment test? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly on how you can prepare and pass the Amazon warehouse assessment test. You'll learn what the test covers, how it is scored, some sample questions, and strategies to boost your chances of getting hired fast. And so before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's talk about on what is the Amazon Warehouse Assessment Test. The Amazon Assessment Test is a pre-employment test designed to test if you're a good fit for the warehouse role. It helps Amazon evaluate on how you follow instruction, think logically, work under pressure, prioritize your task, and maintain safety and efficiency. You'll typically be asked to complete this task online shortly after applying. In some cases, you might do it on-site at an assessment center or hiring event. And so, what does the task include? The task usually consists of 2 to 4 sections depending on the role. Number 1 is the work style assessment. It's your personality quiz. Now, you'll answer statements like, I prefer working with other than alone, I prefer or I always follow safety rules even if it slows me down. Now, as a tip, you go ahead and want to answer honestly, but you want to favor responses that shows reliability, teamwork, safety consciousness, efficiency, respect for structure, and more. Now, you want to go ahead and stow and pick scenarios. You'll be shown animated examples of warehouse tasks like scanning or organizing, and be asked what you'll do next. For example, if a scanner shows an error with stowing an item, what should you go ahead and do? The correct response is going to be follow the protocol for scanner errors, notify a supervisor, and avoid guessing. From there, you then have the mathematics and logic. Now, this is optional depending on your role. You may get basic math or logic questions, like if a shift is 8 hours in total and you take a 2 break of 30 minutes each, how many hours do you work in total? The answer is going to be 7 hours. There's also some pattern and sequence questions. Now, as a tip, don't overthink because this section is basic but timed. From there, we then have other sections like the Situational Judgment Test or SJT. This section shows real-world work scenarios and it will go ahead and ask you on how you should respond. For example, if a coworker is working too slowly and it's delaying the team, what should you go ahead and do? Options may include A. Talk to your coworker, B. Tell the manager, C. Ignore it, or D. Speed up your own work. Now, the best answer in this category is going to be A and B, which is going to tell your manager or talk to the coworker. Depending on the context, Amazon values team players and who take initiative and care about performance. Now, the next section is going to be on how you can go ahead and prepare for the test before taking it. Number 1 is that you want to read the job description carefully. You want to understand your role, like stowing, picking, packing. Know what skill they're testing. For example, in this case, we have the warehouse operative, sortation operative, and fresh warehouse team member. You can just go ahead and read more about the position that you are applying for, so go ahead and prepare for the assessment test. Second is you want to use the Amazon practice tools. Now, some test invites includes links to practice module, so you don't want to skip this. Third is that you want to take free online practice test. You want to search for Situational Judgment Test or Amazon Work Simulation online. Fourth is you want to simulate a timed environment. The real test is timed. You want to practice answering under pressure because once again, there is a chance that you might take the test face to face. Now, let's talk about on what Amazon is looking for. The test doesn't just assess knowledge, it checks for fit. They're looking for the candidates who are punctual and reliable, comfortable with repetitive tasks, can follow safety protocols, some fast learners, and lastly, good team players. Think, would I be productive, safe, and dependable worker on the warehouse floor? If yes, then you can go ahead and pass without any problem. Now, let's also navigate through the common mistakes to avoid when taking the test. One is rushing without understanding the question. You want to read carefully because some answers are tricky. Second is trying to gain or game the personality test. You want to be strategic on this category but not fake. Amazon can detect inconsistent answers. Third is ignoring instructions in simulations. You always want to follow training instructions exactly, even if the task seems obvious. And lastly, skipping preparations. Even if the questions seem easy, prep helps you answer quickly and correctly. Now, basically what happens after the test. After completing the assessment, you'll receive an update within 24 to 72 hours. If you pass, Amazon may send you a job offer, a link to schedule your introduction or orientation, and lastly, additional onboarding tips. If you don't hear back after a few days, you want to check your email spam folder or log into the Amazon Jobs portal. Lastly, I'll go ahead and give you some additional tips to boost your success. Number 1, you want to take the test when you're alert, not tired or rushed. You want to use headphones if there are video simulations. You want to close other tabs to avoid distractions. You want to use a laptop or desktop, not a phone. You want to keep scratch paper nearby for quick math. And lastly, you want to trust your instinct, but you have to stay calm. Once again, some tips before taking the test is that you want to read the description or the job description carefully. You want to use the Amazon practice tools online. Some tests includes invites, links to practice module. You want to take a free online practice test. You can just search it up online. And lastly, you want to simulate a timed event. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So that's your step-by-step guide to passing the Amazon Warehouse Assessment in the UK. With the right mindset and a bit of practice, you'll walk in confident and ready to ace it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more job application tips, hiring process breakdowns, and work-life advice. Good luck with your Amazon journey and let us know in the comments how your test went. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next video.